Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So today we're going to see how to make bullet points for your text or lines or sentence. For example, I just load here some of the words to have a bullet and numberings. So just select the words that you want to sentence that you want to bullet. Then you just need to click here. This is checklist, and here the bullet list. You just click this, you can see the bullet points are applied. If you want numbering, just click this. You can also have a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl Shift plus 8 for bullets and Ctrl Shift plus 7 for numbering. And you can also choose the state. For an example, I'm applying a bullet list, and you can choose the state of the bullet by from here. You can see, so there is totally 6 options, and you can also turn it as a checklist if you want. And here in numberings you can see 6 options. You can make us 1 2 3, or like this, or like this, A B C D, and like this, or like this. So these are the 6 options that you can easily do numbering or bullets for your sentence or a sentence of paragraph. So try this option on Google Docs now.